So first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Saksonita, and I'm a startup development specialist at Techo Startup Center. Today, I'm going to present you about the program that we're working together with the financial institutions in order to match between the corporates and also the companies and innovators to improve their financial sectors in Cambodia. So this is the presentation that I'm going to present today. If you can see about the entrepreneur journey in order to create the successful business and also successful innovation products, is divided into three stages. So first is idea validation, second is product market fit, and third one is the scale up. So along with the journey, so first the entrepreneur starting hunching their own the problem, and then they starting to working on, like a more in-depth research the problem and understand the problems. And after that, they will find the problem solution fit, which is called minimum viable product to solve that problems. And after building minimum viable product and that problem solution fit, they try to do the product testing with a lot of iteration in order to find the product market fit. So after finding the product market fit, the companies or the entrepreneurs themselves are trying to find a way to grow the business when they trying to build a scale up. But as a lot of research have been done in Cambodia, it's really difficult for entrepreneurs themselves in order to create a successful business because of the fragmented ecosystem. And also the entrepreneur themselves, they not solving a large enough problem that could be solved with a scalable solutions. And also they find it's really difficult to find the information to prove their problem if they don't work it's very difficult for them to find the information to prove the problems. And also it's very difficult for them as well to access to corporate business for the partnership in order to improve their business. Meanwhile, the companies and also the corporate, as digital transformation going on so far, they need to act really fast in order to find innovation to stay competitive. But those companies, they tend to have the budgets allocated for innovation, but it's really difficult for them to find a human resource for research and development to find a new solution to solve the solution that to solve the problem that satisfy their markets. That is why the reverse innovation, which is a term that introduced by the two professors in Harvard University, and then later on the accelerator and also the corporates trying to adopt that model to create trying to pair a perfect match between corporates and innovators. So how does it work? So the company, they will pitch the challenge and need to the startup and innovators. And after a few months, the startup or innovators will propose the solution back to the company after going through, maybe mentoring programs and also, funding, etc. That is why reverse innovation. We trying to introduce into reverse innovation in Cambodia. So we already partner with other financial institutions that I mentioned earlier, and the program will be the first program in Cambodia that solves the key challenge and need from partner. And we will seek for startup and innovator to solve the problem. So as you can see the slide that I mentioned earlier, so the program trying to shorten down the process of entrepreneur buying by provide them the problem, the challenge that already in the market, from the corporates, and they only need to work on those proposed solutions to the database thing. This is how reverse innovation come into to matching the programs. So the objective of the program is that we're trying to solve the real problem, which is the problem that the corporate who has been in the business of more long than enough. And we also want to give the opportunity to the innovators, I call innovators, to solve the corporate problem, maybe industry-wide problems. And we're trying to make the corporate and innovator together to maybe in terms of any kind of partnership in order to solve the problem or also in order to sustain the business. And yeah. And we're trying to connect relevant stakeholder in the ecosystem to work together to make this program work, and also to improve the entrepreneur ecosystem in Cambodia as well. So this is how reverse innovation program working with other relevant stakeholders in Cambodia to make it work. So we're working with ranging from the investor, corporate, university, communities, service provider and supporter, and also the mentor to run the reverse innovation program. And how we're going to be our target. So we're looking for the people like maybe students, innovators, startups, or company who invested in building a solution aimed at corporate challenge, or working directly with a corporate challenge. And let's say, for example, if the startup and companies that may have potential solution for the needs and challenge presented by the company as well, those people that we're looking for to join our programs. And we also provide some basic needs for the participant in order to build their solution, to build their proof of concept minimum viable product as well. So ranging from the pre-seed funding, which is around $2,000 for during the RI phase, and we also provide a technical mentoring. We also provide the digital payment sandbox from our partner to test, and we also provide co-working space if they need during the RI program, and we also provide the cloud computing for the team to test out their product as well from Hawaii. And they also can get the opportunity to get support from our partners, from the corporate as well. So we will also provide a prize for the winning team. We will select 3 winning teams after the end of the program. So the first one will get 40 million real, which is around $10,000. And the second one will get like 30 million reals, which is around $7,500. And for the third prize, they will get around $5,000, which is around also 20 million reals. So this is the process. So how the program works, and is also the timeline of the program as well. So we will have the risk pitch day, which is a really important day for the program. That is a day that the company and also the corporate, they will show the challenge. They will They will show the problem statement in public on 15 December 2020. And then we will open for the submissions, and then we will shortlist for just only like 10 to 15 groups to join the pre-OI, which is a phase that they need to work in the proposal for solution. And then we will select only 5 groups on the remote day to join the OI. And after that, we will select the winning team to win the prize on the forward pitch day. So this is the video promotion of our program. Yep. So I would like to introduce you to the reverse pitch day. So you have to go which is a really important day in our program, which is on 15 December 2020. Which is 2020, and the reverse pitch day will be happening live through our Facebook page, the Techo Center, from 1:30 to 5 p.m. And for more information, you can find out how to join the program, how to join the program, how to participate, and what are the challenges. You can find it all out on the reverse pitch day. Yeah. So that is the end of my presentation. For more information, you can contact me anytime through our website, oi.startup.center, or you can contact me through my email, which is oi@startup.center. Thank you.